Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I put together a Baby Shark themed second birthday party for my daughter Collins, and hopefully I can give you some just general party planning tips as well. So the first thing you see me doing here is putting together a happy birthday Baby Shark banner, and this came with a kit that I just got on Amazon. I just searched Baby Shark birthday party, and it came with a whole bunch of stuff for pretty cheap. And then this is another banner as well. This was actually separate, but this was a 2 banner that is to go on the front of the high chair. And that ribbon banner you see there was just reused from her birthday party last year, actually. One big tip is, of course, doing as much as you can in advance. Those clips of the banners and here stuffing the piñata are taken about 2 weeks before the party. And of course, involve your kids if you can. Collins had the best time just stuffing the piñata. A money-saving tip for the piñata, I wanted to do a Baby Shark one, but it was like $50, so I opted for a $20 number 2 piñata off of Amazon, and then I got Baby Shark printables off of Etsy for I think like $3, cut them out and put them on the piñata, so you'll see that in a little bit. This little DIY I thought was a really fun little extra touch to the party. I did Swedish fish in ice cube trays and just made a whole bunch of them and used that as ice for the drinks. I also made labels for all the food and drink items and, labeled things, different things having to do with the Baby Shark show. And these clips are just from her actual birthday. I did have some things set up in advance, like these banners. This milestone banner was so cute from Etsy, and the numbers are higher, obviously, because it's her second year, but I just love doing that. And here is her opening her birthday gifts, but I think her favorite gift was just this juice with the Baby Shark head on it. She just absolutely loved it. Another tip I have is I tend to want to put pressure on myself to have everything done the night before to kind of surprise her in the morning. But she wasn't any less surprised having these couple banners and balloons up in advance. So, you don't want to be a zombie for the actual party. You want to be able to enjoy yourself and be present for them. So don't kill yourself trying to do everything the night before to have a big reveal. It was fun to have these things up in advance for her actual birthday, which was a couple days ahead of the party.
There's gotta be a better way to drink it, I guess.
We chose to give her our presents from us and have her open them on her actual birthday, just for the sake of time during the birthday party. Of course, we want to keep things, moving for our guests, and definitely want to make her actual birthday just as special as well. And the party, it was still just very small. We just did a few very close friends. Unfortunately, we had some family members that were not able to attend, but she was able to have her little friends and her little cousins there, and I know she had a great time. And here is her all dressed up in her birthday Baby Shark outfit with the big number 2 balloon. The outfit is from Target, and the bow in her hair is from Etsy. For the food, I try to make it easy on myself. I try to do a combination of making some stuff myself and then ordering some things. These are some chocolate-covered pretzels I made. I found this idea on Pinterest, and it was very on theme. And as far as like the cakes and the cupcakes, which you see me starting to make here, I did a box mix for the cake and cupcakes, but I homemade the buttercream and decorated them myself. So I did funfetti cupcakes, and then here you see me starting to stack the cake. I did kind of like a cheesecake flavor, so I did a butter cake with just vanilla buttercream and did a cheesecake filling, and then on the top of the cake, you'll see later on for the decoration, is actually graham cracker crumbs to kind of create that cheesecake taste and flavor. Here you see me starting to do the crumb coat of the cake, and now, disclaimer, I am obviously not a professional baker. I am just a mom trying to figure it out, and this is me just trying to do the best that I can. But I think it did end up coming out pretty good. So now what I didn't show you there was where the tears started to flow, and that was just because I was being really hard on myself because the cake was kind of slanted and not perfectly even, but I know it came out good, and I know that Collins loved it, which was the most important part of all. So here I'm decorating the cupcakes. I got this cute rainbow sprinkle mix off of Amazon, and the baby shark toppers came with that Amazon kit that I got the banner from. So yeah, here you can see where the cake is kind of tilted, but I think once I got it all decorated and the topper on, I feel like you really couldn't tell, and I just put that slanted part in the back. So after I did the crumb coat on the cake, I put it in the fridge to let it stiffen up, and now I am starting to decorate. So my inspiration here was to make it like a ocean beach theme cake, obviously to go along with the baby shark theme. I did a gradient of 3 different shades of blue, and I did just look up on Pinterest how to do the wave effect of piping to see what direction to move the piping bag in. Basically, I just took a few different images of cakes on Pinterest and just put together a bunch of ideas to come up with my own design. So I'm using that same sprinkle mix that I used for the cupcakes to put them along the bottom of the cake, and my thought was they were supposed to really represent seashells. I'm also doing that along the edge at the top, but of course it also just gave the cake a nice color. And I actually just took a store-bought graham cracker crust and crumbled that up and put that on the top to use as sand. So later on I will show you the toppers that I used, but here this is when Collins came downstairs, and this was when everything was set up in the morning, and this is when I did like the big reveal. All the decoration. You see the balloon arch there. The banners were already set up, but like the tables were decorated, and I think she was, you know, more than happy with how everything came out, which is obviously the most important part. I love just doing DIYs and party planning, and I love party decor and, you know, decorating the cake and all that, but the best part of it all is the look on her face when she sees the finished product.
Thank you.
Say welcome to my birthday party.
So now we are at party time. You can see that she is in her party outfit. It's the same outfit I had her wear to school on her actual party. Right there on the edge of the table were some party favorites that I got off of Etsy. They were little like mini coloring books that were customized that said Happy Birthday Collins on it. And there is the cake all set up and ready to go. And I did get a balloon arch kit off of Amazon, which had a lot of the sea critter balloons. Those doo-doo balloons and those baby shark balloons came with that Amazon kit that I initially talked about. There's a little kids table set up. The balloon arch, probably other than the cake, was definitely my favorite part of it all. If you're doing a party, I highly recommend doing a balloon arch. They are definitely not as overwhelming as they seem. They are time consuming, but they're not hard to do. This was a cute DIY I got off of Pinterest, the candy dish with the fish scooper to look like goldfish in the bowl. And then above the bar, this bubble garland I got off of Amazon. I really liked, and I've used it again here on this wall. The cake topper I got off of Amazon, and the baby sharks was a bath toy set from Target. The piñata with the cutouts I had mentioned before. Then on the wall there, if you see those baby shark decals, that was a set from Target. I thought that was a great way to fill in spots on the wall. And there Collins was painting. I got these little water paint cards also from Target, which was a great extra activity to have for the kids to do. Then little Lukey here, he just spit up, but he was our baby shark mascot. I got him this little outfit from Amazon. It was only $7. And here is the birthday girl herself enjoying the birthday cake. So overall, I
Happy
think the
birthday.
party was a huge success. I love how everything turned out, and I really think that she enjoyed herself. But don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you're planning on having a baby shark birthday party, or what are your party planning tips. I would love to hear them. And don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos to come. I hope I see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.